Here's some tips for sales confidence. One of the things that I find easy is just to think of it as a conversation. Don't make a big deal out of it. It's you meeting someone else and you're going to have a good old conversation. Be interested. Get curious about them as you would do in a normal conversation. Ask questions that are of interest to you, and if you ask the question, then do them the courtesy of listening and being really interested in what their answer is. Think of them and not you. So in other words, it's not all about you. It's about hearing what they've got to say and what they're looking to do. That can sometimes be made a little bit easier if you're wearing clothes that make you feel comfortable. So, as I say, if you're the kind of person who wears a suit, then be comfortable to wear a suit. Or if it's a uniform, wear a uniform. Whatever makes you comfortable to be able to be your best self in that call. Remember to breathe. Don't be afraid to be breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth in a good, confident manner.
I think it's also really good to do a little bit of exercise before you go into a call. Sometimes it's amazing. It just gives you that extra energy. So ideally, park your car a little bit away from the office, just so you get a bit of exercise and fresh air in. Or if you're going on a Zoom call, just do a little bit of stretching. Believe it or not, it just kind of gets you energized. In the same way that smiling is very important. If you're feeling nervous before a call, believe me, smile to yourself or smile to the air or smile. It helps to relax. And when you're in the call, try and smile as much as possible. It also brings that positive energy, which is what you want to bring to your call, both for you to help you feel relaxed, but also for the person you're meeting. The more relaxed they are, the more relaxed you feel, and then the conversation becomes much more natural and free flowing. So smiling is actually a really clever tool and a really easy tool that we can use. Have water to hand. Dry mouth is very unnerving for us, especially if you have to do a presentation. So have water to hand, and it does relax the flow and helps you feel a bit more comfortable.
And finally, the most important thing is plan and have an outcome for the call. So actually, when you're doing your review after the call, to see, did I achieve what I set out to do? How did I do? Don't be afraid to review yourself afterwards, not during it, obviously.